Making money as an affiliate is easier than you think. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, here we go, another bloke telling me making money online is easy, let me stop you right there. Making money online isn't easy, but affiliate marketing, it really is one of the easiest online business models you can start. Not because it doesn't take work, but because someone else has already done most of the hard work for you. Think about it. Someone creates the product, someone builds the website, someone processes the payments, someone handles customer support, someone deals with all the refunds. So what's left for you? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Because once you understand this one idea, affiliate marketing suddenly becomes a whole lot less intimidating. Hi, I'm Trevor. Before we get started, my business partner Mark has put together an on-demand affiliate marketing web class where he'll show you exactly how to start today if you were beginning from scratch. It's completely free, and you'll find the link in the description below. Now let's bust a few myths, because I honestly think you've been lied to. Imagine I asked you to open a hotel. Sounds exciting? Until you realize you need to buy the land, build the hotel, hire the staff, take the bookings, clean the rooms, deal with complaints, pay the bills, and somehow persuade people to stay there. That's a lot of work. Now imagine something completely different. Imagine you simply recommend that hotel to someone who's already looking for somewhere to stay. And every time they book, the hotel pays you a commission. You didn't build the hotel. You didn't clean the rooms. You didn't employ the staff. You simply connected the customer with the business. And that's affiliate marketing. And that's why I keep saying it's one of the lowest barriers to entry you'll ever find online. You're standing on someone else's shoulders instead of trying to build the whole thing yourself. Now let's deal with the biggest myth of all. It's too late, especially if you're over 50. Can I ask you something? Does Amazon stop paying affiliate commissions because you've had another birthday? Of course not. The internet doesn't care how old you are. In fact, I'd argue being over 50 gives you an advantage. You've got life experience, you've built trust, you've solved problems, and you understand people in a way that only comes with time. Those things are incredibly valuable when you're recommending products that genuinely help someone. Age isn't what's holding most people back, but doubt is. And doubt has stopped far more people than age ever will. Then there's another one I hear all the time. I don't have enough followers. Really? Would you rather have 100,000 people who barely know your name or 500 people who genuinely trust your opinion? I'll take trust every single time. Affiliate marketing isn't a popularity contest. It's about helping the right people solve the right problem. Sometimes one recommendation to one person is worth more than 1,000 likes. Then there's this classic, I need my own product. Why? Seriously, why? If someone else has spent years creating a fantastic product, testing it, improving it, supporting customers, updating it, why not simply introduce people who need it and earn a commission from that? That doesn't make you lazy, it just makes you smart. Let someone else stay up until 2 o'clock in the morning fixing software bugs. I'll happily earn a commission by introducing the right customer. Now, if you're listening to this and thinking, Trevor, this actually sounds much simpler than I thought, then do yourself a favor and watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing web class. You'll walk through the exact roadmap you'd follow if you were starting again today. No fluff, no hype, just a simple step-by-step process that anyone can follow. The link is waiting for you in the description. Let's carry on. Here's where I think most beginners go wrong. They think affiliate marketing is about selling. It isn't. It's about helping. Think about the last thing you bought online. Did you read reviews? Watch a comparison video? Ask somebody's opinion? Of course you did. That's affiliate marketing. The best affiliate marketers aren't pushy salespeople. They're trusted guides. They simplify complicated decisions. They help people choose the right solution. And when someone buys because your advice genuinely helped them, everybody wins. The customer gets a solution. The business gets a customer, and you earn a commission. Simple. There's another reason I love affiliate marketing. You don't need to know everything. You don't need expensive software. You don't need fancy websites. And you definitely don't need 17 social media accounts and some secret algorithm that only internet gurus seem to know about. You need one problem, one solution, and one way of connecting the two. That's it. The internet has a habit of making simple things sound complicated. Don't fall for it. So let me leave you with this. Affiliate marketing isn't the easiest online business because it's effortless. It's the easiest because someone else has already built 90% of the business. You don't have to invent the product. You don't have to manufacture it. You don't have to provide customer support. You don't even have to process payments. Your job is simply to introduce the right people to the right solution. That's it. Simple doesn't mean effortless, but it absolutely means achievable, especially if you're willing to learn, stay consistent, and stop believing the myths that have been holding you back. If you'd like my help getting started, don't forget to grab the free on-demand affiliate marketing web class using the link below. I genuinely believe it will save you months of confusion. And if you've enjoyed this video, the next thing you need to watch is how are you going to start affiliate marketing in 2026 if you're over 50. Click on it now because I'll show you exactly where to begin, even if you're starting with zero experience. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.